Welcome back to another amazing adventure in game development. This is Building Shit with me, Mabus Games. We're back, baby! Okay, so we've got work to do. We're like 3 days behind schedule, easily. Not that there's really a schedule. I basically set my own schedule. Okay, there's no schedule. We're not really behind in anything. But I'm not as far ahead as I would like to be. So what I want to do right now... Yo, Worm Juice! The bulky indigo jade book of outstanding burrow. Is that your randomizer? Again? Nice. Nice. And Dust Juice? How you doing, buddy? Alright. Satisfying lime acrylic figurine of the ferret. Hell yeah! I think it's working. Alright, so here's where we're at. I want one more screenshot of basically everything that we have in here. Is it everything that we have in here? Are you guys the last things that need to be in there? Let me double check these. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Let's make a new folder out of these guys. And which one are we on? Gallery 8, so this will be Gallery 9. Okay. That's all of those. And if I hide that, alright, cool. So now what I want to do is take everything that we've put together and plop all of them into the scene. So we're going to take... Fuck, all of it. There we go. We're going to select everything that's in here. How do we do that again? You motherfucker. Is it this one? Is it both of these? Is it that guy? Holy shit, why can I not remember the shortcut key? There you are. Book 6. Lumi shots. Senor. Mabus. Monsignor. Senor. El Jefe. Mabus. The third. Okay, this is either going to be awesome or awful. Find out in just a second. I don't have anything else selected. Okay, cool. Alright. That really worked out. That was a lie. That didn't work out at all. Get back over here. Thank you. Alright, cool. Now... I'm gonna hide all this shit. That one, 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 that one. That one. But... we're in the fluck. Okay, fine. With all of these selected, we're going to call this everything. Hide that guy. Thank you. Now I can hide all this shit. Now I can turn that back on. Can I grab everything from here? Are these all grouped? Hooray! We can scroll for like 45 minutes, or we can just do that. Alright, cool. Now, let's see here. We're going to get rid of the pedestals. We don't need those. You did not hear your name, except for earlier when I said, Lumi Shorts. And then you disappeared off into the unknown. Or maybe it was known, I don't know. I feel like there was a possibility of known. Ah, good. You're going crazy. Fantastic. I'm glad it's working out. Oh, this is so fucked. Let's see here. I really hope everything is grouped individually. All right, it's not. Nice. Fantastic. That's exactly how I wanted to do this. That's gonna make things real easy. It's Weebland playing Final Fantasy. I love Final Fantasy. Which one? Final Fantasy, sadly the original, is what got me hooked on the RPG genre. 14, the online one. Oh man, Final Fantasy 11 Online was my jam for quite a while, but I just could not bring myself to keep paying $15 a month to do it. I'm all like, man, I love this game, but not enough for $15 a month. Those were the days. Don't get me wrong, I loved playing it. I loved doing all the quests. I loved doing everything that I could do with that game, but goddamn, got mad trial. But I'll be damned if I was going to pay $15 a month forever. But I did enjoy it. It's like, I calculated it after a couple of years, and I was like, I spent like $300 and some odd playing Final Fantasy. It was basically pointless to do. But, Devereaux, Mr. Dojimodo. Hello, my friend. We are doing well. There we go. Okay, I think everything is up right now. Alright, it looks like everything's upright. Now let's hit this from the left view. Nice. There we go. Hopefully everything that is this height snaps in with everything else that is also this height. Yay. It does. It does. That's close enough. You know what I should do? I should turn down the monitors. Because that's going to get annoying real fast. Okay, family, I love you. Please shut up. Alright, there we go. I've been non-productive for like 3 days. I need productive. Productive needs me. Otherwise this shit just will not produce, will it? Oh, that one's upside down. Okay, cool. That should work out. Alright. Nice. Now we can grab all these. Now we'll move these back a little. Oh. Well, that was smart of me. Glad I did that. I'm up 1. Forward 2. Move that forward 2. This guy can come up a couple. Everything else sticking in the ground there. That guy. 1. Alright, cool. Next. We'll bring this back, like right about there. And we'll just start organizing these a little bit. Not like that, Jesus. Move things around so they're not sitting right on top of each other. This one's absolutely ridiculous. We're gonna delete that guy. We're gonna delete all these. Alright. Clears things up a little bit. Let me look at this from the top. There we go. You guys over there. This will have me a little less picky about where I place things. I want it kind of randomly strewn about, so to speak. Well, not random really, but I'm not trying to put all the colors right next to each other, and visually that's exactly what I will end up doing if I am looking at this in a colorized version. Right around here. No, not you. Jesus Christ. No, still not you. I have an idea for later on. We're going to take all these axes and all the swords. I'm going to completely fill an entire background to put myself sitting in front of. And then maybe some more, so it looks like they're in front of me. Kind of layer it up. And use that for a Twitch screen. I think could be fun. There we go. One of these over here. It's a little thicker. Alright, let's see what kind of sweet hell I've got in front of me now. There we go. And let's, right about there should do the job. Can I go lower? Yes, but not much. There we are. I can come up one. This guy can come up one. This guy can come up one. And I'll stick it into the ground. Doesn't look like it. There we are. Now maybe give it a little bit of wiggle room on the sides. There we go. Alright, hamburger menu. High resolution screenshot. 2, capture. Grab this guy. And here, 13. Am I missing 14? Huh. Alright, let's retitle this one. 14. This one will be... Hey, bitch. Gallery. 15. Alright, grab these guys. Drag them over here. Pull that. And that gives us all of our gallery images that we're going to need. Where are you, little bitch? Grab on. Thank you. Alright, there we go. Let's take a look. Everybody voice your opinions here. I'm going to flip through these, not too quickly, but this is what's going to be going up on the Unreal Engine Marketplace. For display purposes. Once you get the real good close-ups, they look really good. I like that shot. I also like that shot. And there's our gallery. You know what? We're just going to let that fly. That's just a screenshot, and this one goes for our thumbnail. Let's see here. Alright, I think that's going to do for these. So now what we need to do, first of all, save all. All right. I need... these as sample meshes. So let's create a new folder. Actually, we'll call it sample axes. Okay. Now what we're going to do at the eye, the head, pommel, shaft, right click. Oh, we can't fucking right click and just find out here. Of course not. God, man, that's something that they should have done. In UE4, you could select all these, right click, and just turn them into a mesh from there. But now with UE5, you've got to go to Tools and then Merge Actors, which is fine. It works. But, you know. Merge Actors, Sample Axes. This will be Sample Axe 01. Save. Eye, head, pommel, shaft, tools, merge actors, sample axes, sample axe 02, eye, head, pommel, shaft, tools, merge actors, sample axes, number 3. And we have to include these in the Unreal Marketplace kit that we're about to sell. So, well, I guess maybe we don't have to. I think I just did anyways for the swords. And then... fuck it. It'll be fine. Double check that. Tools. Merge actors. Skolheim TV. Thank you. Thank you. These are technically battle axes. Although, to be fair, they look very much like a pole arm. Well, technically more like a pole axe. But, I feel you. Merge actors. Sample axes. This will be axe 4. I digress a whole lot. Tin axe of the colossal spider. Damn kneecaps. A barbarian's axe is light enough to cut through steel, but fragile enough for the high quality of steel will just spin even if the largest of foes. That's fair. Did I make number 4? Skolheim. Nice to meet you. Thanks for dropping in on us. I'll give you a little demonstration here, Skolheim. Give me 4 numbers between 1 and 8. Five. What's that? Eye, head, pommel, shaft. But if you were seeing these next to the character, you'll realize they're not quite as long as a polearm. 5, 7, 6, 4. Alright, give me just a moment here. Sample axes number 6. File, save all. Open level. Display. Go. You said 5, 7, 6, 4. That is the variation that you just chose. Go ahead and pick another 4 numbers, Skullheim. One through 8. Two, 5, 3, 8. 2, 5, 3, 8. And that's the variant you just described. Yo, sleep away, Lemmy Shorts. I assume Dev is right behind you. Dojimodo! Thank you guys for showing up for my welcome back stream. My computer's working again. We've got a new cooling unit. And let's take this a little bit further, Skullheim. Choose a color of these 3 colors. Black, silver, gold. Itch, do the thing. There we go. Skullheim, black, silver, gold. This will be in 2 parts here. The first one is the primary color. And then depending on that, you have secondary color options. Let's just go with, we're going to do black and blue. And we can do any variation we want, but we're going to do black and blue. Because, you know, we can. There. Then we can change this to whatever one we happen to like. And that's how this works. Okay, we're going to not bother saving this. We're going to kill these. Delete that. Yes, all. File. Save all. Open level. Back to our samples. Okay, we finished off with 6, yeah? I feel like we did. Samples, yeah, number 6, okay. So this one is 7, and these ones, by the way, are 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 6, 6, 7, 7, 7, 7, and 8, 8, 8, 8. There we go. Tools, merge actors, sample axes, number 7. Save, lose. Tools, merge actors. Negative. Wrong order. Pommel, head, or sorry, eye, head, pommel, grip. Tools, merge actors. There we go. And merge. Sample axis. Sample 8. Save. Close this. File. Save all. Now what I'll do here, grab all these, drag them out to here, there, that's good enough. Goes in. Go. Now, get rid of these. And this is where the prep for the marketplace begins. Oh, and Skullheim, you still sitting here? Alright. Delete those. I don't really need to move these back, but I'm going to move these back. Because I can. Alright. Meshes. Okay. Now those are... the defaults. So this next one, let's do a little bit of variation. We're going to start with 1, 2, 3, 4. Drag that in. We'll group that for now. I'll do 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 3, 4, 5, 6. One, 4, 5, 6, 7. Five, 6, 7, 8. Bitch, I didn't open you. Six, 7, 8, 1. What's going on, Lycos? 7, 8, 1, 2.
Bitch, I said bitch. Do the thing. B. 2.
And then 8, 1, 2. Yikes. Huh? No. Let's try that again. 8, 1, 2, 3. There we go. Alright, then we're going to change these ones to... Hell, I don't know. I guess we'll just keep them uniform, huh? How about we do black and silver? Lycos, I knew I liked you. Let's start with the pommels. Or the pommels, the eye adornments. There we go. R. Shaft. And pommel. Alright, good. Then we'll do these guys next. Flip this around so we can actually grab the motherfuckers. Eye, head, pommel, shaft. Tools, projectors. Thank you, Lycos. We're setting up for the Unreal Engine marketplace right now. Projectors, sample axes. This will be axe number 9. Group that. Tools, merge actors, sample axes, sample axe 10. Group. Merge actors. Sample axe 11. Group. Eye, head, pommel, grip, tools, merge, sample 12. Group. Eye, head, pommel, Grip. Tools. Sample axes. 13. Save. Group. Eye. Head. Pommel. Shaft. Tools. Merge actors. Merge actors. Sample axes. 14. Save. Close. Eye. Head. Pommel. Shaft. Tools. Merge actors. Merge actors. Creating something too, but I don't know where to start. I'd like to try creating NPC behavior. Any advice where to start? Behavior trees. Look into behavior trees. Save. Close. Group. Tools. Merge actors. Merge actors. Sample axes. 16. Save. I know that sounded like a generic answer. Group. But for real, for real. Those are... It's a good place to start. For your like Google searching and shit like that. Okay, group all of that. File. Save all. Then we're going to grab 9 through 16. Drag these into the world. Bring it up to there. We're going to leave 9 right where it is. Motherfucker. No. What? No, don't do that. Wrong guy. 10. 11. 12. 13. 14. 15. 16. Delete these. Yes, all. Okay. That works. Click on these. Asset actions. Bulk edit via property matrix. That pops up this guy. Nanite settings. Nanite settings. Enable. Can I give you some info on my game? Right now, I am in the build phase. So, what I'm planning on doing is something RPG-like, but think Call of Duty or Battlefield. Think more like Battlefield. Close that. Save all. Save selected. So a sandbox type of game where we'll operate something along the lines of Battlefield combat minus all the guns. Instead, you're going to have warriors, archers. So instead of like the assault, support, recon, and engineer, You'll have warrior, archer, black mage, white mage for healer, damage dealer, distance guy, and up close and fucking personal, the tanks. Chunky lasso over night. So that's what I have planned personally. In order to do that, I'm going to utilize an asset pack called, oh my god, Ascent Combat Framework, which has a lot of stuff built for it, mostly for something along the lines of an open world RPG or an open world MMORPG, and getting it together is going to be a total fucking pain in the ass because I don't really blueprint. So I'm going to have to step well outside of my comfort zone and start grinding on some of that shit. But one thing that I know for sure, I am going to need is weapons. Lots of weapons. For what I have planned, I need weapons galore. So I need swords, axes, spears, polearms, warhammers, mage staves, knives and daggers, and eventually bows. But that's going to be the last thing that I do. Bows will be the final. And then I'm going to have to figure out how the fuck that's supposed to work with animation. I'm no animator. And I haven't done any kind of animation at all inside of Modo. Like, not even kinda. I haven't done any rigging. I haven't done any skinning. So that's going to be a whole other layer of shit that I'm going to have to go through. It's not that I can't figure it out. It's just haven't gotten to that yet. Modo is kind of like 3ds Max. Very similar. But I have not transferred over my 3ds Max skills to Modo yet. And that's something that needs to happen. And I don't know why I clicked on Modo, because I really don't need it right now. So that's something that's going to have to happen a little bit later. Oh, twin blades. I also need twin blades, and that's the next kit we're going to build. And I figure they could probably be as long as a battle axe altogether, between the blade and everything else. Blade, the grip, and whatever. It's tasty. Alright, let's look at this from Nanite Visualization. Oh yeah. That's working exceedingly well. Really, this guy. I really want to see what's happening on this dude. Because this one's got a bunch of fucking tries to it. And it's moving very nicely. Yep. Should be fine. Motherfucker. What the fuck is that goddamn command? Holy shit. I have to actually look something up. Well, goddammit. I don't really want a video, I just want That's it. Oh, there it is. Okay. Wasn't pulling anything up. Really? Alcohol's only 250. That's really not fucking bad. Back up a little bit. Right then. Thought it was something fucking simple like that, but it wasn't popping nothing up. Back to lit. Okay, now from here, we have to display all of the meshes that we're going to use. Take that to here. Okay. Just group this. Bring them down. Hey. Don't do dumb shit. Come on. You know what? Let's just leave those there. Then we'll grab the heads. Got y'all out. Let's bring it to here. Actually, let's bring it to there. So one of the things that is required is a demo level, so to speak, which is what we're doing right now, with all of the assets that are in the kit displayed. And eventually, when like somebody buys it, it has all of the things visible that are inside the kit for them to use. So what I'm doing here is absolutely necessary bullshit that is completely irrelevant. The scene, or the whole fucking scene, the whole level is going to get deleted by the end user. Like, why do you need that? You just need the shit that's in the folders. But tis what it is. That, bring it down. I'm going to angle these like so. There. Good fucking call. Save all. Juice, how was your vacation, man? And smoke? That place you were staying looked fucking badass. I would have loved to stay in a place like that. We don't have shit like that over here. Our entire country is devoid of culture of that level. You know, so there's that. Just move this over here. Oh yeah.
That's fucking cool.
I want to go on a vacation like that with a cool place to stay inside. Well, that's not great. Let's turn the snaps off for just a second. Position these into a good spot. And then we'll turn the snaps back on. Now, these dudes. Right there is fine. Be like so. To absorbed. To absorb and then subsequently dismiss the culture comes here. Yeah, right? Look, I see that Japanese food or the Chinese food that you just brought over here. It looks real good. Be a shame if someone make General Tso's out of it. General what now? Okay, so we're gonna leave. Those ones. All around there. That actually feels okay. Okay, now deselect 1 and 2. 3 and 4. 5 and 6. Rutro Raggy. We'll just do that. That'll be fine. Guess it doesn't really matter which one's which, right? Group that. Okay. Got a good view of everything. All of it should have nanite applied. Yep. Okay. Let me see here. Oh, motherfucker. Hang on. Let's pull up, marketplace bullshit. Okay. So here is everything that we need to make sure we have in there. This is the Unreal Marketplace bullshit that has to happen in every last fucking piece. Okay, so let's go through here. We're good there. 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 Well, at least we will be. Categories run. Yep, we'll be fine on that once we get it up. Tags are in English, yes. Technical information, that we will. Mission is in the pending approval status. Yeah. Okay. Does not contain any graphic material. We're good. And content function, we're good. We will be. Nothing third party. Rendered in Unreal Engine 4. Well, they will be. 5 anyway. Host only one UE project plugin folder within front. Okay, yes. Provided match the supported engine versions is listed. It will. Distribution method is appropriate for the content functionality of the product. It will be. Content folder contains a single pack folder named after the project. We can close this for now. So it's going to contain this. This is our folder right there. And inside of there, we'll have a content folder. Inside the content folder is the maps folder, the materials, the meshes, and we have a master material. Meshes, the sample axes, and the textures. This one is actually going to go away, and this display map will also go away. But the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to end up making a duplicate of this project file, and I will keep the display, make that the default map that loads up, and delete this one. And then for the one we're going to sell, I'll delete the display level, as well as everything inside of the display content folder. Okay, so that's something we need to keep in mind. Got it. Got it. Got it. Unused folders or assets. We will. All redirectors cleaned up. We'll handle that after we delete everything. English, alphanumeric, consistent throughout the project. Got it. Otherwise, either linked or in editor documentation tutorials. Got it. New project is used plugin. Unused plugins disabled. Let's make sure. Oh, which one was it? Bridge. Gotta turn that one off. Close that, open it back up. Okay. Right click here. Fix up redirectors. Should be fine. Plugins disabled. Easy. Fixed assets does not. Does not. Does not. All assets are complete and function as intended. They will. Use overall good design and concepts. Should. Legal. I have the rights. Does not contain copyrighted material. And none of that. Unmodified public domain content. I have none of that either. Assets that could be considered offensive. I have none of that. He who dies. Parasitic pubic penis puncher. Yes. Lighting and built on all maps. I should probably do that. To generate no answer. Let's double check that, shall we? File. Build. All. Let's see what happens. No Z fighting or overlapping polygons. Oh, we're good. I made sure to fix that in the UV. 4 points. Come on, man. That's got to be 68 points. It would be 69, but you owe me one. Maximum texture size 8192. Yep. We're at 42 or 4096 for one master material. Correct texture group based on purpose. That is true. Instances used where appropriate. Fucking A, right? We do. For mobile. Expected mobile preview. Not intended for mobile. Proper collision where applicable. No problem with that. No overlapping light map UVs. We should be fine on that one. Light map resolution is optimized for the product's intended use. We're going to have to check this. This is going to be a fucking big one. Included. There's not going to be LEDs included. We're going to do everything in nanite. Modular pivot points replaced for smooth assembly. Fuck yeah, they are. We're good on that. It was intended to all face the same direction of the vector. They do. Submission supports nanite. It meets all nanite requirements exist. It will. And we're not going to actually have lumen here. That's completely unnecessary. Classless consuming cunt. What are you calling classless? Come on, man. This is a highbrow show here. Hickory dickory dock. He who dies was sucking my cock. Clock struck 2. I dropped my goo and dumped that bitch on the next block. Oh! Bada boom. That was a freebie, y'all. Andrew Dice Clay, circa 1988. Alright. I think that's going to be everything that we're going to do today. But first... Oh! Wrapping UVs. You motherfucker. Why? No importance volume found. I should probably plop one of those in here. Oopsie. That'll do the job. File. Save all. Built lighting. Autumn, what's going on? You lurk away, my dear. We talked about this. Your ass crack accepts American Express and Discover. totally classless. It also accepts MasterCard and most debit cards with like a $3 user fee. Okay, light mass importance volume is fine. It's wrapping UVs. What do you mean it has wrapping UVs? I'm too tired to keep functioning. I'm not far behind you. We're almost done for the day. Oh no. There's no glue on this fucking cigarette.
Dagnabbit.
Look at this. No glue. All the way fucking down. You dirty bastard. I'm not gonna bother smoking you. Now you're irritating me. Alright, let's see what happens now. That's sample 13. We're using UV channel 1. Or should we use channel 0? I feel like we're supposed to use channel 0. Hang on. Let me open up another project folder. Hey, open the fuck up, bitch. Library. One-handed sword kit. Open that up. We're probably going to catch a little bit of lag here while this opens. And I need to see which UV set this one's using. I think it's 0. Either 0 or 1. One of the ones you're not allowed to use. I need another folder. None. What do you mean, none? Really? None? What are the sample swords? None. Huh. $32. Light map coordinate index is 1. Okay. Let's look into that. $32. Light map coordinates index is 1. Save. Close. That was 13. Okay. Build. Lighting only. Let's see what happens. 13 should be off that list now. Alright, 13 is off the list. Oh, no, it's not. Why are you on the list? Should you be at 8? I'm gonna look at this one again. Let's set this to 8. And look at this. Channel 1. Save. Oh wait, I never saved, did I? Save. Alright, now let's see if that changes things. Lighting only. Still there. Why? This should not have any wrapping UVs. This should be fine. I don't see a problem here. Something else in here. Settings, build settings. Minimum light map resolution. Okay. Let's make this. Oh, let me look at that other one. Sword. $32. Okay, so that's 32. That's 32. Let's go back to axes. 32. Like coordinate meant 1. Save. And same thing here. I want to see this guy. Build settings. 32. Save. 32. 1. Save. Alright. Close these. Yes. Cancel. Apply changes. Okay, thank you. Save. Apply changes. Save. Close. Close. Let's see if those two fix themselves now. Let's find out, shall we? Things are about to go bad. Oh no. Shit, it's 8 o'clock. Fucking huzzah. Okay, so that was the problem. No worries. Alright. So that's where we're going to pick up tomorrow evening. We're going to set all that shit up. And I think I have to do these individually. I'm not sure if that actually exists inside of bulk property matrix. Let's find out. LOD, static mesh. Ooh. It does not. So we need to adjust both. Level of detail. Collision, port settings, ray tracing, navigation. Yeah. Okay, so I have to do this individually. That sucks all the balls. Every last one of the balls. It sucks them. Shit. Yep. Gotta do them individually. Fuck! It's gonna take forever. Not really forever. It's gonna take like an hour. Okay. So there we go. That's where we're at right now. Let's pick this up tomorrow. File. Save all. And we're gonna find someone to raid. Yay! Developers. Let's see who's on right now. Sammy's on right now. Shipwreck is on right now. We never get to raid Sammy very often, so we're going to go and visit Miss Sammy. Let me rephrase that. No, the fuck we're not, because she's offline. Alright. Shipwrecked it is. This, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for joining me today. I'm glad my computer is back up and running after my fucking cooling unit shit the fucking bed. Dude, it went... And then I flicked the hose, and it stopped, and then I tapped on the fucking unit that's over top of the CPU, and it went... And then it went silent. And I went, oh, fuck. Shut the PC down immediately and called my fucking buddy. I'm like, yo, man, I need you to find me a part. I need the one I need. He's like, yep, this guy. We got that all done. So we're going to revisit Shipwreck Studios, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for joining me today. I appreciate all the follows and just for y'all hanging out with me while I do my thing. Shipwreck Studios, ladies and gentlemen, raid hard, raid now, and stay fresh, cheese bags. We'll talk to you tomorrow. Peace.